Hello, in this short video we want to show you how to add your payout details to the You and the View account. This is a really important step in order to make sure that your pitch is bookable for potential guests and that we as You and the View are able to pay you after a booking was completed. In order to do so, on the right top corner, click on the user icon, select Account Settings, and in the left menu select Payout Details. Then either choose if you represent an individual, so if you're a private person, or if you represent a company. In my case, I'm an individual. Then I have to select my country, which is Germany in my case. And I have to add my IBAN bank number. Then a new button shows up with Save Details, so we click on that button. Now the IBAN is saved into the You and the View account. Once you need to verify this data you just put in. In order to do so, you have to click on Get Verified. You are now transferred to our payment partner, Stripe. We're just going to switch this to the English language. In some cases, this will already open in English, depending on your browser language. But on the left bottom corner, you can change it. Now, you have to add all the data requested by Stripe. I will fill in test data now, but you will need to put in your own data. All those fields are mandatory, so all the data need to be filled. Now we have to put the phone number, and now we are done. We have to click on the blue button, Continue. Now we get an overview of the data we just put in. You can check if all the data is correct. If there's any issues, you can click here on that icon in order to change the data. If all the data is correct, you can click on Agree and Submit. This will return you to the You and the View page. Now you can see that the stage is changed. Your Stripe account is up to date. This means that you now set and we are ready